Solve the equation below for x in the range 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 360. So our angles of x will range between 0 to 360, not more than that. So we have been given the equation sin 2x equal to 0.5. So first, how do we get the angle? We just assume the 2x first. So we are going to get the sine inverse of 0.5, and this one is going to give us 30 degrees. Once we obtain the degrees, we know that the sign here is positive. Now we draw the unit circle. Once we draw the unit circle, we know here is 0, 90, 180, 270. Once you go one round, that is 360, the second one 720, the third one like that. So acts. So the sign is positive. The sign is positive where in the unit circle? The sign is positive in this quadrant. The sign is positive in this quadrant. So we won't care about this one and this one because we want only where the sign is positive. Very important. So now once we have identified that, we come to the equation that 2x is equal to first that. Why? Because the angle here is the acute angle 30 degrees, which would be something like this 30. So the first angle would be in the first quadrant, which is an acute angle. So 2x equal to this. It means that the value of x we divide by 2, and it will give us 15 degrees. That is the first angle. So the second angle, now we are here that we go to the second quadrant. You remember how do we find the angle at the second quadrant? Yes, it is 180 minus the acute angle. So we have 2x is equal to 180 minus 30. 2x equal to 180 minus that is 150. We divide by 2, and the angle here is 75 degrees. 2x is equal to, now we go, so we have finished this one, so we don't touch here, so we go again up to this point. So once we reach here, we have covered 360 already. So we are going now, how do we get the angle here? It is 360 plus the acute angle. So we will have 360 plus 30. So we will have 2x equal to 390. So we divide by 2, x equal to 195 degrees. Next, so we have gone one cycle, we are here, 360 plus 30. Now we go to this one. How do we get the angle at the second quadrant? It is 180 minus theta. But now we have 360 plus 180 minus 30. So now 2x is equal to 360 one cycle. We have gone the one cycle. Then plus the second quadrant is 180 minus 30. So we will have 2x is equal to 360 plus 150. 2x is equal to 510. We divide by 2. So x equal to 255 degrees. So we have not yet reached 360. We continue until we have 360, or if it goes beyond 360, we stop. Now the next one. So now we have gone the first cycle, we are in the second cycle. First cycle, we have finished it. Now we are going to the second cycle. So we are coming here, it is 360 plus 360. Therefore, here, now at this point, we are at 720. Right? Now we will have 2x equal to 720 plus 30. So 2x equal to 750. Divide by 2. That is x equal to 375. Now we have 375 and our maximum angle was 360, so it means this one has gone beyond, therefore this one is not going to be included. Therefore our angles, the angles of x will be 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 195 degrees, and 255 degrees. You finish that story.